guys, so it's that time again when Rosie decides she wants to cut her hair. So my hair is this length at the moment, which is fine, like it's a nice length, but I just wanted to go quite a bit shorter for a while now. But yeah, I never cut my hair super short. I don't know if my usual technique is going to work for this one. So I'm kind of going to wing it, again, as I always do. I just like winging things in my life. So looking back on my Instagram, that's when my hair was kind of, this is when my hair was kind of quite short. I think I might go even shorter than that. And then I've just been finding like random images. Margot Robbie. So I think I'm just going to start by going up to like here. So like that much up, maybe a bit more. Oh, I just don't know. We'll do little bits at a time, and then when I'm happy with it, we can stop. Got it in the centre part. I'm going to bring it all forward. Maybe if I do it like, if I lean my head back a bit, then it really won't have much of an angle. And then I'm going to just chop it off. Okay, and then I'm just going to chop a length off. Are we ready? Here we go. We're only getting like an inch and a half off at the moment. Okay, and then I'm just going to let it out. See if it's the length I want. It's quite a good length. What do you think? And then I'm just going to brush it all to the back and see how even looking it is at the back. So I'm just going to use a little mirror. I find it easier if you turn around. See the back. Okay, so there are a few longer bits at the back, right in the middle. So I'm just going to start sectioning off my hair and chopping it that way. Okay, and then I'm going to take this top bit again. I'm going to make sure this is all even Stevens. So with the front bits, I'm just going to brush them together, and I'm only going to take a tiny bit off them this time. I'm just going to go across, chop into them, and then I like to separate them back into my centre parting, and then sort of angle them down a bit, and then I'll check if they're even. Should I go any shorter? Oh, I don't know. I kind of want to go shorter. Okay, I'm just tying the ponytail at the back. I'm going to just take away any of the really long random bits that come through. I'm going to put a hair tie in right at the end so it's more accurate. That's made it go way more straight back, which is what I wanted. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it here because I don't want to go too short. I actually really like this length. And you know, I can always go shorter another day if I decide that the short hair life is the life for me. But I'm going to leave it here, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to style my hair at the moment because it's a little bit different again. But first I need to get rid of the hair that just come off my head. I will be right back. Okay, so I've just put some of the Tresemme Heat Protectant and Primer Cream into my hair. I like to use this if my hair just needs some extra moisture when I'm going to be styling it. So I'm going to just blow dry my hair first, get it nice and dry, and then I'm going to put it in rollers, which is the new thing I've been doing. My hair's dry now, and I'm going to do a tiny bit more heat on it, which I know is really bad, but I'm going to spray it with Curtain Smooth Heat Protectant. And I'm just going to straighten top bits near my head, and then I'm going to curl it under. And then I'm just going to do the rest of the head, and then I'll get back to you guys with the next step. And now I'm going to use these big Velcro rollers, which I just found in Home Bargains. They were so cheap. And I'm going to bring all my hair back, and then I'm going to take quite smallish sections, and I'm going to bring them right to the front. I'm going to give them a hairspray, brush it through a bit. And then the Velcro ones just stick on their own if you do that, which is great. Saves the really annoying pins that get caught in your hair. I know Velcro is definitely not the best thing for your hair. And then I just take smallish sections, running all the way down the back of my head, right at the top to start with, because this is where I want all the volume to be. And I don't go completely all the way down at the back, and then I take some front sections, pretty small front sections. And then with this bit underneath, I normally just leave it down, but I might just roll it over my hand and just pin it in. But that's it for it. Yeah, now I'm just going to leave this for a while. I might go do some editing or something. I guess it just depends how much time you have to sit with rollers doing their thing. Yeah, I will check back with you guys in the bits when these have set. It's not been all that long since I last put these in, but let's see what it's at. I didn't leave them for all that long because I did put quite a lot of hairspray in them, so hopefully it should just hold. I'll just take it out, brush through it. I love this part, it's my favourite bit. I get so excited. I always struggle keeping volume in my hair all day, so I found recently that this just really helps. And now that my hair's shorter, it should stay even more voluminous. It's not quite as much weight. Okay, and then I just find my centre parting again. Should all out. So if I was doing this in the morning, I'd probably do my hair first and then sit with it in a few rollers while I do my makeup. Or if I have a bit more time, just sit with it in for ages and then last a bit longer. So a little bit of back combing in the crowd. And then a little bit more hairspray everywhere. But it's good. So there we have it. Freshly chopped, voluminous hair. I wanted quite a blunt cut this time because I was going a bit shorter. So I didn't put any layers in really this time. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. My rollers are from Home Bargains, if you were wondering as well. Just a little Velcro ones, you can get them in like boots and everywhere. But these ones are a really good size. They're nice and large. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!